Hi guys. Hello everyone. How are you all? Hello. Hi. Hi Ali. Hi Hamdam. I hope you all are having great week. It's not weekend, so I'm just gonna say it's a week, great week. I'm good, guys. Hello, I'm so sorry. थोड़ा सा late हो गई. Otherwise, I was planning to come around 9:30 only, but I don't know. I got late. I always get late. I hope I'm clear. You look awesome. Thanks, Shani. Thank you guys. Thank you for all the compliments. I'm in just my casual wear. That's it. So I'll just show you my outfit. Oh fuck. Okay. We are good now. So this is what I'm wearing. It's baggy. I don't know what's wrong. Me too. Okay, I think it's fine now. I always look cute. I know I always look cute. So pink after long. I'm wearing pink after really long. Let me show you my full look, guys. So I'm just gonna show you. So ta-da! I love these shorts. It's really cute. Pink. And I also love the spaghetti. Let's go outside and I think this angle is fine. So I know it's cute, right? It's like high-waisted shorts. Okay. Thank you guys, and also thank you for showing all the love on my latest reel on my main account. So yeah, I'm having a really special live streaming tonight on my app for my members. My lipstick के ऊपर बाल लग रहे. So it's a theme like based live streaming. Bad girl. Okay. So after really long, I'm going to do such a like theme based live streaming. It's a cosplay. Like cosplays are like, you know, I know a lot of you have no idea. Definitely कुछ को पता होगा, but some of you doesn't know for sure. So it's a schoolgirl cosplay. So जैसे theme based रहता है ना, it's kind of that only. So it's gonna be really hot. So I'm just, if you want to see the outfit, I can show you all what I'm going to wear in live streaming. Almost 8 दिन हो चुके हैं last live किए. So finally I'm going to do the live streaming tonight for my members. Show tattoo on the live. इस outfit में तो कोई भी tattoo दिख नहीं सका, by the way.
Excuse me, Dr. You have a visitor.
कोई भी tattoo नहीं दिखेगा. Butterfly भी बहुत नीचे है ना, so नहीं दिखा पाऊंगी. Anyways, so let me show you guys what I'm planning to wear in tonight's live streaming. Jumping jacks तो मैं gym में भी नहीं करती, यहाँ पे कैसे करूँगी? I don't do jumping jacks because it hurts, to be honest. I hope it's clear now. Okay, so I'll just show you what I'm planning to wear. So this is what I'm going to wear, guys. This is what I was talking about. It's a cosplay, schoolgirl cosplay kind of. So this is the outfit for tonight's live streaming. I was about to wear red, but काफ़ी लोगों ने demand किया मेरे users ने कि wear the blue one. So I'm planning to wear the blue one. This is also good and really sexy. So this is the final outfit for tonight's live streaming. And this is like half crop top. And so मुझे उसके अंदर ही पहनना पड़ेगा. It's a bikini. This is also kind of small. Let me show you how it will look on myself, guys. So this is how it's gonna look. It's a weird top. By the way, मैंने Amazon से मंगवाया था और मैंने आज तक पहना नहीं. It's quite small, so definitely my under boobs are gonna be visible. Not just under boobs, but so for them that to cover, I have to wear this bikini. This is also quite tiny. So इसके अंदर मुझे पहनना पड़ेगा. It's really good, very attractive color as you can see. So this is how it's gonna look. Okay, yeah, it looks really good. So this is how it's gonna look. Let me just try. Yeah, it's kind of small, but yeah, it's fine. And this is a skirt. Let me stand up, and this is how it's gonna look like. High-waisted है ये. So this is how it's gonna look. High-waisted है, so obviously my half bums are going to be visible. So it's like this. इसके नीचे I'm gonna wear the thong of this. This is a thong. It's really tiny one. So, and I'm also gonna wear a hair wig or something. I will try. And also gonna wear these glasses to make it look more good. So it's gonna be super hot theme live streaming, guys. So don't miss. It's gonna be really really fun because school वाला जो cosplay है वो मैं almost after like मैंने 2023 में किया था जब मेरा ऐप था. उसके बाद मैंने क्लोज कर दिया था. एंड आफ्टर लॉन्चिंग दिस ऐप मैंने कभी भी स्कूल थीम वाला मतलब स्कूल गर्ल थीम वाला लाइव स्ट्रीम नहीं किया है. सो दिस इज फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम डूइंग द स्कूल girl theme live streaming for the first time on my app. So yeah, show me your abs. Abs. मैं actually खाना खा के ही आई हूँ, so I don't have abs by the way. Like I have good waist, but I don't have abs. I don't see like I have a tiny. So मैंने क्या थोड़ा सा खाना खा के आई, so that's why my stomach is out. So 360. I've already. Okay, any questions, guys? The live streaming is at 11 p.m. It will start at 11 p.m. on my app. That's what I also have scale to make it extra hot. Oh god. So I'm very very excited for the live streaming, guys. Time 11 p.m. guys, 11 p.m. So should I sit here? 11 बजे स्टार्ट होगा ऑन माई ऐप, दैट्स वाई मैं अभी लाइव आई हूँ ऑन इंस्टाग्राम आप सबको बताने के लिए दैट आई हैव लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग एज यूजुअल.
Trying to get himself right. And
Right now I'm just wearing it's not a proper bra, like it's a sports bra, you know, like
disconnect.
very comfortable. It's not even padded, it's like this, बहुत पतला मटेरियल है इसका, so this is very comfortable. मुझे ऐसे अच्छा लगता है like. To join the live streaming guys you have to purchase the subscription membership, तभी आप ये live join कर पाओगे on my app.
But also you gotta realize he's in a place right now.
I can't wear the dress now because it's for my special fans for on my app.
Every step of the way.
Hi.
He's a grown man.
मेंबरशिप कैसे ले? मेंबरशिप पहले आपको मेरा ऐप डाउनलोड करना पड़ेगा, देन यू कैन परचेज द मेंबरशिप आफ्टर लॉग इन गाइज. डन. Any questions, guys? एक टैटू दिखाओ. कोई भी टैटू विजिबल नहीं है. Only the back one is visible, जो कि यहाँ पे है. But it's like okay. What is your wild fantasy? If you wanna know my wild fantasy, I mean, I don't have any wild fantasy currently. मतलब जो थी वो पूरी हो गई होगी maybe. I don't remember exactly. So guys, ये लाइव जो है वो मेरा ऑलमोस्ट 1 घंटे से ऊपर चलता है, like 1.5 hour I go. So ऐसा मत सोचना कि like 15-20 मिनट करके मैं निकल जाती हूँ and all. My live streams are quite, you know, like really long duration.
There you have it, Adonis. Challenge is on the table. Которая годится.
These are heavy or just normal. They sometimes they feel I feel heavy, but anyways I love them. So ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, मतलब थोड़ा तो sacrifice करना पड़ता है ना. What's your age? You all guess. Last year ही तो birthday post डाला था मैंने. This year I'm gonna be 26 guys. I'm 25 currently. I'm 2000 born, so जैसे जैसे साल बढ़ता है वैसे वैसे मैं भी बढ़ती हूँ, मतलब एज बढ़ता है मेरा. How to meet and connect with you? So आप मेरी ऐप पे मुझसे पर्सनली कनेक्ट भी कर सकते हो guys. You can also chat with me. बट उसमें भी थोड़ा चार्जेबल रहता है बिकॉज इफ मैं फ्री रखूंगी तो ऑब्वियसली अ लॉट ऑफ डीएम्स, मतलब पीपल विल डू अ लॉट ऑफ डीएम्स, बहुत सारे मैसेजेस आएंगे जिसका मैं रिप्लाई नहीं कर पाऊंगी. सो इट्स लाइक स्पेशल एक्सक्लूसिव थिंग विच आई हैव ऑन माई ऐप. सो एंड yeah, you will enjoy a lot on my app guys for sure. You can join the live streamings, you can also see the content, also connect with me personally. So there are a lot of features on my app. Yeah, I'm 2000 born guys, 2000. Naval, your application name, मेरा application मेरे नाम पे है guys. It's on my own name. अदिति मिस्ट्री. आप अगर एप्पल यूजर हो तो एप्पल ऐप स्टोर पे सर्च करोगे आपको मिलेगा. प्ले स्टोर, अगर एंड्रॉइड यूजर हो तो प्ले स्टोर पे. We need subscription for live instead of monthly like. Monthly like, I did not get you. सो सब्सक्रिप्शन परचेज करोगे तो आपको मंथ में 3 to 4 लाइव्स मिलेंगे गाइज एंड अ लॉट ऑफ कंटेंट एज वेल. सो या, I go live in every like 8 days. Let me show you my gown. Oh my god, quite thick, really thick. Nowadays I'm more thick because I have gained weight as well. And खड़े होकर बात करो, खड़ी होके बात करो. ओके,
Listen, man, I didn't mean to hit you up, though. Commissioner want to know who we plan to fight next. You ain't gotta fight Bravo. You gotta fight something.
लिप्स बहुत क्यूट लग रहे हैं मैम. थैंक्स टू लिपस्टिक्स.
I can set up a little, tune-up fight.
ओके, तो बैकग्राउंड इज रियली गुड. मतलब एकदम ब्राइट ब्राइट कर रहा है मेरे को. जब भी डार्क बैकग्राउंड होता है ना तो आप हमेशा ब्राइट लगते हो एंड इट्स रियली गुड थिंग.
Let's go on this side. Hit the bag, man. Warm up.
Yeah.
थोड़ा छोटा सा है पर
What's up, man?
आई डोंट वेयर दिस काइंड ऑफ शॉर्ट्स आउटडोर गाइस बिकॉज मेरे थाइस छिल जाते हैं. मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता. ये तो बस सिर्फ लाइव और कंटेंट के लिए. अदरवाइज आई डोंट वेयर. ये बहुत ज्यादा ही छोटा है. आई मोस्टली वेयर साइकिलिंग शॉर्ट्स जो इतने लंबे हैं जिसमें मेरे थाइस क्लैश ना होते हो. इस वाले में यू कैन सी माई थाइज आर क्लैशिंग. सो
Yeah, I called her like 1,000 times.
twerking. Twerking. I do twerking all the time on my app, guys.
Couple years. Yeah. I mean, how many guys did take the screw on the light?
Love from Bangladesh. Thank you.
I'm not joking. Can I call you guys back?
I love you. Thank you. Side twerking. Unfortunately, no claps. Request accept करो. I'm sorry but I can't accept all the request. अभी I'm little busy, so next time. उसके लिए स्पेशली मुझे लाइव करना पड़ेगा बाय द वे. अभी इतना टाइम नहीं है कि मैं रिक्वेस्ट एक्सेप्ट करूं. सो सॉफ्ट वर्क. Can you show Naval? You can come join on my app and you'll get to see all the things. So
Hey, Mom.
the fuck, man.
How you doing, kid?
What are you doing here?
I hope you don't mind your mom asked if I would come out. She's worried about you.
बैक से क्लैप करो. बैक से क्लैप नहीं होता है अभी.
I'm good. You ain't meant to come all this way.
By train. 3 days.
Beautiful back. Thank you. Thank you.
It's alright, you know, give me time to think. Watch all these
Thank you,
pictures
guys.
looking by the windows like postcards. It's gorgeous.
Let me show you the phone.
Yeah, I mean, if you say so.
Yeah, it's nice. This is wonderful.
Oops.
How you have all this out
Sleeping.
here. You could have the same.
Yeah, I wouldn't say that.
I mean, not just the shiny stuff, but the better stuff.
Thank you, guys. Thank you for all the compliments. Let me drink some water.
You better man. You know, I was thinking about what you were saying about what smart decisions have
I'm
I
also
made.
wearing the blue lenses tonight.
Good for me. You know, I wasn't even there when my son's son, grandson, born. Anything. They're tall now, probably, and I don't even know him. He doesn't know me.
I'll show you guys.
It's pathetic.
Why won't you just call him?
Dead easy, you know.
Okay guys, so this is the live streaming
What's
जो
the
शुरू होने वाला है at 11 p.m.
I asked you before. What were you really fighting for?
11 p.m. So don't miss. Only on my app, guys.
This
Okay, this is side.
expectations. Being a king.
11 बजे का लाइव है. सोच रही हूँ थोड़ा जल्दी ही जाऊँ मैं. 10:50 को चली जाओ. 10:50, 10:55 को something. Very bright. I love it. It's so bright.
I can't hear him with that thing that tells me to get in the ring. Move my feet. Keep
Membership charge कम करो. Membership.
this my way.
Is there love bite on your neck? No, I don't have love bite anywhere, guys. पता नहीं कहाँ पे दिख रहा है आपको love bite. I don't have. Shadow होगा ये.
I don't even know how I lost.
Your mind wasn't right. And your natural style.
10:45 को चले जाना चाहिए क्या मेरे को लाइव. I think 11 is fine.
You're saying yours was better.
What?
बहुत ज़्यादा ही लाइट आ रही है. Any more questions, guys?
Great to see you too. I was talking with your mother and she says
Yours भी आने लगे मेरे को तो.
to the child, hey,
It's better to.
Why was wrong with that?
no, it's not. It's a beautiful name, but it's complicated. Why don't you think about something besides what a little simple to say like Becky or Kate, something like that.
Cake pretty.
Okay, guys. चलो, thank you so much. I will
Black, right?
leave now because I need to get ready as soon as possible. So, thank you so much for joining. I'll see you all in next live streaming. So, yeah, इसके बाद मैं live जा रही हूँ on my app, so don't miss. It's gonna be really hot as usual and it's really special live. So, don't miss. चलो अगर मिस कर भी लिया तो I'm gonna post it on exclusive feed. So you can rewatch, but it will be on a higher price. So I would suggest you to purchase subscription. That's more reasonable for you. So my subscription on app it's like 5,500 something. 5,500, yeah. Okay guys, चलो thank you so much for joining. I'll see you on next live streaming. अभी के लिए बाय बाय. और जिन लोगों ने सब्सक्राइब किया है I'll see you all on my app. Don't miss. Love you all.